in this video, I'm going to teach you how to game share from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of sharing games from either of these consoles. So I'm going to be focusing on the perspective of sharing from a PlayStation 4 to a PlayStation 5. But of course, you can do it through the opposite manner. So from PlayStation 5 to PlayStation 4. As long as you get the general idea, you will be able to do it regardless of which console you start on. So the first thing that you should do is to make sure that your account on the PlayStation 4 is set as the primary. So go over to settings on the PlayStation 4, go to the account management category, and make sure that it is activated as the primary PlayStation 4. It doesn't matter if this is your account or your friend's account, just make sure that the account that is signed into the PlayStation 4 has been assigned as the primary PlayStation 4. Now on the PlayStation 5, sign into the same account. So you have to sign into this account on the PlayStation 5. So go over to the PlayStation 5, choose the option to add a user, and sign in with the same PlayStation Network credentials as the PlayStation 4 account. With this done, to ensure that it works, go over to Settings, Users, and Accounts. Then, under the Other category, you will have Console Sharing and Offline Play. Under this category, make sure that this option has been enabled. And once it is enabled on your PlayStation 5, if you go over to your game library, all of the games from that PlayStation 4 account are going to be available on the PlayStation 5. So it's as simple as signing into that PlayStation 4 account on the PlayStation 5 console and activating the PlayStation 4 as primary alongside enabling console sharing and offline play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you game share, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.